right from household to across all the industries, how decarbonization can happen. So this is going to benefit each one of us, each one of the human in this universe on decarbonization. This is a big movement. This cannot happen in one day. Everybody has to take part of this decarbonization movement to have a cleaner society for the generations to come.
Europeans are experiencing high level of heat this summer. In India, it is erratic rains and climate conditions. Global warming is a reality today, and that is when ISHRAE is conducting its Cool Conclave 3.0 at Coimbatore, discussing about net zero and decarbonization.
Our Honorable Prime Minister has announced in Parliament that India has to be carbon neutral by 2070. So in order to achieve this carbon neutral by 2070, what is the initiative of ISHRAE? ISHRAE, we a strong society having more than 20,000 members and 57 chapters across India and few chapters in Middle East. We started an initiative called Cool Conclave addressing decarbonization in India. The first edition of this conference happened in Jaipur. The second edition happened in Indore. This is the third edition happening in Coimbatore. I am representing a society called ISHRAE, Indian Society of Heating, Refrigerating, Air Conditioning Engineers. I am the past president of Chennai chapter. Here I am in Coimbatore to convene the Cool Conclave Conference 3.0. We all know what is decarbonization. We have to do energy efficiency, reduce water wastage, reduce plastics, wastages, composting, all those things have to be done. Since the standardization has not happened in all the industries, we need to focus on standardization of many equipments. So this conference is having almost 85 to 90 stalls where big companies are exhibiting their products, energy efficiency products, showcasing renewable energy products to the general public.